Hey YouTube, what is up? I probably look crazy right now with my glasses and I just took my hair out of these braids, so it's nice little waves, but this is gonna be a long video or a video split in two. We'll see what happens, but welcome to the video of redoing my room. So as you can see, my room is pretty pink and there's black walls. If you want to see a room tour like in depth of my room, this is the thumbnail to it. I will link it down below as well. Go ahead and check that out. But with quarantine and me being super bored and already accomplishing everything else in the cleaning genre, I have decided that I'm going to paint my room and I'm gonna paint the house. But we'll worry about the house later because that's such a bigger project. But I thought I would start off with my room and just kind of redecorate, try to get it more mature because clearly I live in a 12-year-old's room. I do love this room so much. It has a lot of great memories, but I'm happy that I have my room tour up on this channel. That way I can always look back on what my room used to look like. So it's not so sad throwing it away in a way. So today, the goal is to pick out the paint and possibly buy it, and maybe we'll start painting today, maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna take you guys along the whole journey. I just figured I'd do the intro now versus later. You're gonna see me wearing glasses every day, my hair like this or either in braids or just natural in a bun. You'll see me like this throughout this video, so if you want to see glam me, that's not gonna happen. Cause why get ready when you're literally painting and you're in quarantine? Yeah, no. Oh, and since I was about to shut this off, since we are redoing the room, that means I'm buying a few new things. So yeah, it's gonna be like a room transformation and I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's see what my room turns into. All right, we have all the supplies that I bought yesterday, and the first step in preparing this room is clearing out all of this stuff right here. I'm just gonna remove all of this background. Obviously I can't remove the TV. I can remove all of this. So yeah, let's start moving everything away. I feel like I'm moving, but I'm not. It's a plug? Is this it? I almost broke this thing. I tried unplugging the back. Alright, if you were curious to where I put everything, it's in my craft room right now. I'll come back for it all once it's done, I guess. So now, the next step I have to do, you see those like switches and the outlets, how they have these like white covers on them? I have to unscrew the covers from what I've seen and what I've been told. So let me go grab a screwdriver. Perfect. And if you're curious how I'm gonna paint the TV, obviously it's like super difficult to paint behind a TV, but luckily for me, my TV actually pulls out. So what I'm gonna do is just pull the whole thing as far as it can go out, and then I'll just paint behind it. Dang, it looks so empty. Everything's like right here. Okay, I thought I was gonna paint right now, but I have to do two more things. I actually have to tape up the door area, things I want protected, and I have to cover some of this because I don't want it to get dirty. So what I'm doing right now, I don't know if this is the ghetto way of doing things or the most efficient, but I have this tablecloth, like, you know, you put on tables for birthday parties and stuff. I didn't buy the actual, like, I don't know what it's called, but to cover everything, I just figured I'd put a huge tablecloth on it. Because I don't think I'm gonna be messy, and it's pretty big, so I feel like it's gonna do the job. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna close it. I just open. You need a towel though.
Okay, you can bring in the dog towels then.
You have more plastic like this outside?
No.
Before you have another whole way. Let me go.
Okay, I'll tape. If you're curious to what tape I'm going to use, it's this.
Okay.
Just come in.
This is emergency towel.
You want some orange juice?
Yeah. All right, the door's taped up. And then these little white things are also taped. So they all look like that one. Yeah, because I'm not painting that. I also taped up this side of the TV. So you can kind of see it, it's blue. So yeah, I'll paint that side and then I'll tape up the other side. I'm hoping we're ready to go and I'm not forgetting anything else, but I'm gonna start stirring up the paint and I'm gonna start painting. For brushes, I am using this brand. Are these upside down? Oops, sorry. It's called Woodster Pro. My uncle recommended these and he's a huge handyman. He definitely knows what he's doing. So if he recommends them, then I'm pretty sure they're the best. So I think I'm gonna try to go around the outlets first and then I'll go on the ceiling with this one. But since the outlets are much smaller, this would probably be better. All right, I'm scared. Now I'm using the bigger brush for my door. That's what I'm gonna work on next. But as you can see, those little things are done. So now the door. And the door is done. So now I just have to paint the edges of the walls and we can probably start rolling. So I'll see you guys once that's done. I'm already kind of tired, so. Long ways to go, I'm not gonna stop. This is the roller I'm using. All right guys, so it is painted for the most part, like around the corners. And now it's time to use this. We're almost there with wall 1. I said to you, look what you did. That's from your shoe. Can you go get a wet paper? Hurry. Alright guys, this wall is officially done. I just need to take off the tape, let it dry. I already did the second coat. We started this process at 11 a.m. I believe, around there, and it's about to be 7 p.m. So I've been working non-stop. I just ate for the first time today, so yeah, but it's now this pretty color. In person, it is a white with an undertone of like a periwinkle blue, but it's pretty much white, like it matches my door. On camera, it's coming off maybe a little different, but I really love it. And I gotta do, oh, you guys can't see, this side tomorrow. And it's really hard to film at this angle because the window's right there, so he makes a huge glare, but I'll show a little of that tomorrow and then we'll be done. Well, done with painting. We still have a lot to decorate, and yeah, but I'm excited. I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna relax finally. See you tomorrow. Man, I don't wanna clean up. Hey YouTube, it is the next day, day 2, and I already finished the room. You see, it was late at night, well, morning. It was like literally 2 a.m. and I just decided to do the other wall. I wasn't gonna film that wall anyways, because when you film that wall, the window isn't there and the lighting just looks really bad. But I basically did the same exact thing as I did to the wall that you guys saw me paint. I think I finished around 4 a.m. and the reason why I did that was just because I was bored and I love doing things on my own right away. So yeah, Ryan was gonna help me today, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to just do it on my own. And like the satisfaction I felt when I finished painting both walls, 2 coats all by myself, it felt great. I slept well. I actually had to sleep in the guest room because I don't think it's good to breathe in all those fumes. I've been sleeping in my guest room and the colors of this room are green and orange because clearly I didn't know what was my favorite color in 4th grade. So, but I'm extremely sore from all this renovating. I've been painting my actual house as well, but my room is officially dried today, so we get to move the furniture back. But I'm gonna wait for my boyfriend to come over and help me do that, because I did it the first time with my mom and it was too much and I almost broke my back and I'm extremely sore. So yeah, I'm in my guest room right now, so you can't see the reveal, but you'll see a little bit at the end. There's gonna be 2 more videos. This is gonna be like a 3-part series. You'll see that, but this is video 1. Today I'm wearing this shirt that I always paint in. It's just a shirt. I don't necessarily care if I get paint on, and I have these green shorts. Again, I don't really care about these shorts. Honestly, the whole painting process went really well. I'm not super messy, so there was hardly any splats anywhere, but I still like to wear protective clothing just in case. So yeah, if your room is pretty much the same size as mine, it honestly could take you 1 whole day to paint it all if you really want to, if not 2 short days. But I did mine pretty much back to back every hour for 1 full day. I think I painted everything within 16 hours. So it is possible to do 2 coats in 1 day for a room the size of mine. So now I am just waiting for Ryan to come help me move back all my furniture, because as you guys saw, it is all over the place. So the next clip will be him here helping me out. So I screwed back all the outlets like that. We're about to move all the furniture. So we're working with, we have to move this dresser situation, the bed's right here, nightstand, and the desk and IKEA drawer.
Dude, your room is dope now.
Hi, this is Future Me Editing, and if the next clips seem like I'm a bitch, it's because I was. Because I was over the process. I'm weak, and the fact that I can't move some of these heavy things pisses me off. So Ryan was there at the time, and you'll see me being a little brat for a minute.
Do you need help with the mirror?
I can put it on.
How about I do it? I don't trust you.
I took it off, I can put it back on. I put it back, I put it on.
Look, I'm not comforting you when you cry. I'm joking.
You can flip it so you can see better.
Oh, I don't know how to work a camera. And I want to make a movie. What?
Stay right here.
See?
This is a montage.
Look how bossy she is, YouTube. That's my girlfriend. Oh, now you need help.
I need a wet paper towel to clean it.
Here, I don't know what to do. And there she is. Dude, do you need help? I'm scared for you.
No.
Okay.
I'll find that thing.
Just be careful. Okay. Oh God. What the heck was that?
I'm securing it.
You sure?
Yeah.
I never heard that noise before. She's a liar. She's a manipulator. She's a mass manipulator. She can even walk straight.
Just trying to get a thumbnail and you keep bothering me.
I keep bothering you? What does that mean? Is that a word, Pattiya? You don't know what words mean? Yeah, I didn't know today was Pattiya Day.
Hello. Okay, well, all the furniture is back in place. I took a few things out, but not everything yet. Obviously, we need to still decorate with newer things, but I'm really liking how it's turning out. But yeah, we need some new prints on the wall. Same with that wall. And we gotta hook up the new chair that's furry that will match, you know, this furry situation. So that's all we have left to do is decorate, and I'm not gonna do that today, so we'll do that a whole different day when I finally get every single thing I want to put in my room. Sounds like a plan.